Hello everyone, Satnam. My name is Nori, and in today's video, I will be guiding you through a Kundalini meditation designed to manifest prosperity and wealth into your own life. Are you ready? Let's begin. As always, I'll begin this video by first explaining what we'll be doing, and then I will leave timestamps down below for the actual practice so that you can come back and watch this video for the next 40 days in order to get the full effect of this meditation. So in today's practice, we'll be using a moving mudra as well as a mantra. First, I'll begin by explaining the mantra. We'll be using the mantra Har. Now, when we pronounce Har, you'll be striking the top of the roof of your mouth with your tongue, as well as pumping very strongly through the navel center. So when you say Har, you'll be bringing your navel inward towards your spine, and the pronunciation is more like Har, with a D at the end, a UD sound, rather than har, 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 har. This means God. This is the creative force, the creative potential. That is what har means. I do have a video about celestial communication where I talk a little bit more about the impact that mantra and mudras have on our bodies. Essentially, you can think of our body as an instrument, and as we chant a mantra, man meaning mind and tra meaning to tune, we are tuning our mind, we are tuning our bodies into that specific frequency. All frequencies already exist. So as we chant, we are vibrating at that frequency in order to bring that specific effect into our own lives. So as we chant Har, we are invoking the creative force of God into our lives so that we can create, we can generate the energy of prosperity all on our own. So when we use this mantra, we are evoking that creative force of God into our lives and utilizing it to manifest prosperity. Moving on to the mudra, bringing your fingers together and then slightly tuck your thumbs into your palm area. Palms will be face down and you'll be striking your index fingers with your right thumb slightly over the left. This is your starting position. Then, as you chant Har, creating a circle with your hands, striking at the pinky fingers. As you chant Har, chanting Har, strike, index fingers, palms face down, creating a circle, striking, palms face up. So it'll look like this. Har, 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 Har. Now, when we do this, our index fingers represents Jupiter. And in astrology, Jupiter represents growth and expansion. This is the planet that represents prosperity and good fortune. As we strike our pinky fingers together, our pinky fingers represent Mercury. Mercury is the planet of communication. This planet represents our day-to-day, our expression, and even intelligence. So putting it all together, we have Jupiter, the area of good fortune and prosperity, coming together with our day-to-day, our expression, our communication, and intelligence. At the same time, this area below here where your palms are represents your moon. And again, in astrology, the moon represents the divine feminine. This is our dark side, maybe something that is hidden from plain view. It could represent our internal feelings and emotions, the way that we internalize the world around us. We'll begin our practice now, so find yourself in a comfortable seated position. This could be on the floor, legs crossed, or you can do this meditation on a chair. Begin to close the eyes and take a few breaths here, tuning into your breath, taking a snapshot of how you are right now at this very moment. On your next inhale, placing your palms together at the center of your chest, we'll begin our practice by tuning in. Ong, Namo Gurudev Namo. We chant this 3 times together. This means I bow to the teacher within. I call upon my highest consciousness. I am awake, alert, present, and focused. Close the eyes here. Take a deep inhale breath. Pause at the top of the lungs and exhale. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold and exhale. And we'll inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Keeping your hands in place, take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath at the top of the lungs and set your intentions for today's practice. Slowly, gracefully lower your hands all the way down as you exhale. Rest here for a moment with your hands on top of your knees. Open your eyes about 1/10 of the way, so your eyes are practically closed, only slightly open, keeping your gaze to the tip of your nose. From here, gluing your fingers together and tucking your thumbs slightly at the center of your palm. We'll begin by striking the index fingers just about throat level, creating a circle with the palms and then striking your pinkies together. As we strike each finger, we'll chant Har. Let's begin. Har, 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 har. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath. Squeeze root lock, anus, sex organs, and navel center. Be sure to have your palms face up. Exhale. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep inhale breath. Hold the breath. Squeeze root lock, anus, sex organs, navel center. Squeeze the lock. And exhale. Last one. Take a deep inhale breath. Squeeze root lock. Squeeze. Exhale. Close the eyes and breathe here, keeping your palms together, palms face up. Pinky fingers are touching. Placing your palms together at the heart center, we'll close our practice with a long sut, short nam. Take a deep inhale breath. Sat Nam. Sat Nam means truth is my name. Bring your palms and your forehead all the way down to the ground, sealing off the energy of today's practice. Sat Nam, everybody. Again, I do recommend doing this practice for at least 40 days to get the full effects. Today we practiced for about 3 minutes. Now you can also do this on your own up to 11 minutes. It is said that if you do more than 11 minutes, then it's a little bit greedy. So I wouldn't recommend it. I haven't tried it myself. You can experiment if you like. Me personally, I found this meditation extremely powerful, especially in business. When I would be working or working on some online marketing, I would get a windfall of sales after practicing this meditation at the about 11-minute mark. And of course, this is something that you should build up to. If you feel that drive to try it for 11 minutes, please go ahead. But I do recommend starting slowly, have your little baby steps. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so that I know that you are enjoying this type of content and for me to have a signal to make a little bit more of this. Or if you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to see and I'll do my best to provide. And until next time, Sat Nam, my name is Nori and I'll see you all again very soon.